Hello, everybody. Hey, I'm going to do something again a little bit different than I normally do. I've got a toy RC car. It's made by a company called SGILE. No idea. And it says race car. The model number on it is SEY 2002. Says it's rated from 12 to 18 kilometers per hour. And then it just says 11 miles per hour. So I don't know why there's a window on kilometers and one number for miles per hour. But here's the deal. It's Christmas time, and this is a toy grade car for 6 plus. If you're looking for something like that for your kids or grandkids, stick around. If you have absolutely no interest in it, I'm going to go ahead and tell you now. Just give me a thumbs up on the way out for not wasting your time. So let's just go ahead and get started with the review on this, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. And since I have limited mobility, I've kind of got to keep everything on my desk where it's close enough to reach. You know, to me, the good thing about picking this stuff up through Amazon, you get it pretty quick, and you've got to watch that because some people are drop shipping. But for the most part, you get it pretty quick, and it comes in another box. I mean, you've seen some of the stuff that I've picked up directly from China, and it's been beat up pretty bad. So this is an advantage for this. Okay, I'm looking at the US version, and we've got, according to this, a 6-volt, 600 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. Uses 2 AA's, comes with a charger, comes with a screwdriver, comes with a user manual. You can use it indoors or outdoors because it's a small scale vehicle and it's reasonably slow. If you're new to my channel, I don't really go crazy with unboxings because I'm in the transportation industry, and right now there's a push to either reduce the weight of everything or the cubes of the box. So however this one came may not be the way the next one comes. So I don't waste a lot of time with that. So you get a screwdriver, here's your charger, and it comes with 2 batteries. Nickel metal hydride. It's a 5-cell, 5-cell nickel metal hydride. I've already cut the retainer straps, but you can see it's packaged well, and even if they need to do something different in the future, I don't expect it to degrade the quality of the packaging. And, you know, the radio is kind of what you would expect. I mean, this thing is, I think it was $40. But, you know, we're looking at Christmas, we're looking at something for the kids to get started with, kids, grandkids, what have you. So I think that is not a working spare. It's not the same size as the others, but you know, it gives it a cool look. And of course, the suspension is just springs. So it looks like the motor's in the rear. I don't think we're going to find a lot of replacement parts for this. The tires are, they're a little firm. I can't test drive it today. We have terrible winds and it's cold. And it's difficult for me with the body brace on to get a coat on, so we're not going to do that today. But let's see what we've got. It is a rear wheel drive only. Does not appear to have a differential because that should be turning the other direction. So both tires are turning the same way. So no differential, it just appears to be a straight axle. Got your on and off switch right here and a little trimmer to keep you going straight. So as an entry-level vehicle, I'm going to say this is really and honestly what I expected. There's a screw on the battery box. And if you got young kids just getting started, you really don't want them tinkering with all of this, but they did give you a screwdriver to open it with. So I think that's a plus. Grab a couple of double A's and we'll see what this thing does. Okay, the bottom of the remote also has a screw, and since my thoughts on this car is it's going to be a Christmas gift for probably a younger kid, I think that's a good thing. They can't get to any of the batteries in this little car without a screwdriver. Okay, so this thing does not have proportional speed or steering, so you hit the throttle and it's just on. Same thing with the steering. Just goes to the peg, and you can turn the car off. You can actually hear the switches when you hit the throttle. Just a click switch, and that's on the throttle. Here's the steering, so you can hear those too. Again, I got so much wind today, I can't do anything outside. So tomorrow I will get a run video for you guys. But if you're looking for something for Christmas, you don't have a lot of money into it in case the kids don't like it, you're not out a whole lot. I don't think this is something that I would carry in my personal vehicle as a, I don't know, just an easy carry car, but I'll have to run it tomorrow and maybe I'll change my mind.